What's up, my beautiful people? I'm Jimisha, and welcome to my channel. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing a lazy girl wig install, and I decided to just show you guys how I do that. Especially when I got somewhere to go. I don't really do too much, you feel me? But I'm just spraying my hair with oils and everything. You know, you gotta take care of that hair up under that wig, girl. You got to. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and all the good stuff down below. So yeah, I'm making sure I'm getting everything in. Alright, so I'm making sure everything is saturated. Blah 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 blah. Y'all know all the good stuff like that. I started dancing because I was already listening to my music, but you know I'm not trying to be copyrighted, so I'm gonna put some music in this video so y'all can watch and then vibe at the same time. Now this eco gel, since I got that black hair, it don't really work for my hair, but I ran out the regular edge control that I did have. So I'm the real definition of work with what you got. Although you feel me, it's supposed to be extra strength, it says about the eco gel, but really it's not. For me, it's not. You feel me? I need that stuff that's gonna grip it. You feel me? Me that just stay down, but it got the job done just for today. Okay, so I just decided to go get a headband, tie it around, and put it back in like a little ball. I usually do this sometimes I don't. I just slide the wig cap on, but today I decided to go ahead and just tie it back there. And yeah, y'all can see how this gel did. Like I said, it got the job done for today. It's not as slick as I would prefer it to be, but look at it. It's gonna get the job done. So yeah, we just brush them. Stickily. I need to stay off TikTok. So yeah, I just put the wig cap over like that. I do not cut it. So in this lazy, y'all go see what I do. In the lazy girl style, we don't cut. We don't do none of that. Y'all gonna see what's gonna happen. So with a quick install, you can go use that Gorilla Snot, use the Got to Be Glue. It's really up to you. So I decided to go ahead and go in with the Got to Be Glue. Either or, as long as you stick in and get it on there, you use spray is preferred. Like I said, that gets the job done. I don't plan on keeping this wig on for so long. It's just something to just put on at the moment. So I use the end of my edge thing. Oh, that's the edge control. I mean, it does control the edges, but I use the end of that. I don't have a popsicle stick. Sometimes I use my hand. Like I said, we get the job done over here, and I just slick it just like so. I'm gonna stop talking for a while and let y'all vibe with the music, and y'all can just see what's going on. Y'all got a question? Leave it down in the comments below. This is not a sponsored video. Let me throw that out there. I got this off Amazon. Everything will be down in my storefront, link in the bio if you want to try this hair. I was just showing it, simply saying it's some good hair. So if you want it, you can get it. It comes with those cute lashes right there. I haven't used them yet, but I'm going to put lashes on for this look, but just not them. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that in there. It's some good hair. It's wavy, deep wavy human hair. It's looking like something because of how I got it folded, but y'all gonna see it's gonna look better. So I take this Insta Hold got to be spray, and I just spray on some spots that the glue and like especially like the ends, by ear where I don't stay down. I spray it right there on some spots that came back up. It's really good for that. And then I just let it sit, and then I tie it down. But I don't got an elastic band yet. I need to get one. All these wigs I got, but no elastic band. But I use a scarf. Y'all gonna see. Now I play with my hair a lot, and I did not know what style to do. Like my edge was looking crazy. It was a no go at first. You feel me? So then I decided to do a different style, which you will see is what I settled for at the end. It was cute. I like it. It was so cute. But yeah, here I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to do with it, what it's gonna be, but it wasn't given until I made it gave at the end. So yes, this was the finishing look. This was the style I decided to go ahead and go with. Those edges was edging. The hair was herring. Everything was just giving, and I loved it. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like and comment for more videos like this, and I'm out.